My people, now good evening. We thank God again for this opportunity again. Like when I will be say they always they monitor this program. The program will be say just the time they watch na Udota for independent television. My name is Naifeo Safoan. I'll be only me one day. My brother left his Omobude Awo in there with me, and my brother Charles Ojo. He on ground with us. We'll be so gather to discuss this evening. Mark Pololo, enough you join me today for inside this program. I know say about Monday, Apollo go there on ground for me for inside this program. First, Mobude, I greet you well. Abodi.
I did fine. Good evening.
My brother Charles.
Good evening.
How you doing now?
We thank God.
No say these two people now. People will be say this street well when they be say they see things will be say happen for different areas. But you will be say just did not forget say if you tune on for your Go TV now, you go to see us. For Go TV, we there for 107, and for Start Time, we there for 130. You go just the follow up. And every Friday and Monday now, we take the for our terrestrial transmission by 4:30 and 5:30 every Thursday. You the see us for inside this program. So may you just tune on. And most of the things we be say they look now things for development. What we go do to make this state, our Nigeria, make it move forward. Now they take time, they look. Like we always they talk for our radio program, you will be say they carry Nigeria passport, they waka, you na ambassador. As far as you don't they carry Nigeria passport, they waka, you be ambassador. So not do anything where be say go bring shame come for this country. And if now office you they occupy or you there for school or you there for any working place now, you just think say you there far from Nigeria. Now lie. Anything where you do, you don't come out. Any Nigeria citizen will carry the same passport, you go contest inside. If that's what you do there, na good thing, they go see use better and tell all. If na bad thing, hey, the bit where they not see you give, the person where they come from your back, now they can't give out. More than that, lie?
That's so. That's so. Because they say the king they beat Iyale. If they not throw where, they must use and beat Iyawo. Now so you be. So our international passport will be our national identity, or our international identity. Same to our currency, our money we they use. So the way we take use them, they go determine our representation anywhere we will go in the future. If some bad persons don't go pass through some countries before with a Nigerian international passport, and they don't create bad name for us, anytime one other person come there, any other Nigerian come there, they go assume say that the same character it be. We don't have a parable sometimes say house if they chop dog for one house or any village. Anybody see when they chop that dog, if you want to tell other person, you go say that village that they chop dog. You know me to say everybody actually chop dog, but because they see say one person they chop dog, they say everybody chop dog. Particularly if the person a prominent personality, the person when we say they know well, they go do that kind of thing. They go assume say everybody do it. For example, the case of Desiani, Alice in Madokwe. Now they push on, they run, they go everywhere. We don't see Boris some time ago, they catch him. That one, they one place. We don't see. Alamasia, some time ago, where they catch up for corruption. Which other one come to?
Late Alamasia.
Late Alamasia. Even though me I not agree, personally I not agree. Alamasia not die. I believe they do us dog. Now they don't happen for America before. After 30-something years, the person they can say don't die. They can go see for one island say he never die. But again, for me, late Alamasia, according to them, but me I not believe. Alamasia they catch him for UK. So he can't dress like woman. He escape, come back to Nigeria. They catch Ibori, we go stay some prison terms for UK. They Alice in Maduke and Amata now, they for she did America, they still push up for here. To the SSA, they can recover as much as 40, they say only a jewelries, which they use now, $40 million. You know, so now for the eyes of the international people, what do they see Nigeria as? Not be corrupt country. That's how it be. So, and also one of the carry Nigerian passports. The last time, one Henry Oka, that one they who for in the prison of Africa now, the leader with the now him be the armed smuggler for men. So they don't hold that one now. So waiting they want make Nigeria, they see Nigerians not be as criminals. So now the picture which those people don't create and the prominent people, now that eye they see every Nigerian. Many countries where you go in Nigeria, if you say I'm a Nigerian, notice the first thing they talk say JJ Okocha, Kano Wanko. Because now those people, they think they know, they think they relate to in Nigeria. So anybody going carry our passport, you guys and commit crime, you don't give us bad name. If you guys if you see someone do good, you also give us good name. Like the what they call the fastest brain, the computer guru, Emegwale, that's his name, Emegwale. That one are one out of plenty. Some people will remember them because of Bill Gates and all those science. But they also don't do criminality pass. Now the news they bring pass Abacha loot. They don't bring 3 times score. And we see they expect
another one. They bring others they loot. They resend them back again.
As they bring them from, so
they resend them. You don't know. Except when when government they do all those things, you know what they say. Except when the government come out, now you go come see the next government. Now you come see the next government come they open their hands. Because this designer, when the power they on, you don't say that kind of money. They carry that kind of money. But the moment they come out for power, so when the Nigerian government, whoever they power, they see the corruption. See when they come out, like they talk just now when I did for Israel, I just they work out, they go because of the Nigeria cap when I wear. I see some children, they tell me from windows say, Boko Haram. Boko Haram? Boko Haram? Now I look like this, No other person will do with me than me. Now I go look this as they'll say Boko Haram, then go withdraw like the Boko Haram. Then they call me Boko Haram because I wear Nigeria cap.
Now, so I did still analyze it. I've recorded the point of Boko Haram when the global community don't rate as the 3rd most dangerous terrorist group in the world. Where they did? Nigeria. So you don't really use yourself, give example. So if they don't know it's for JJ Okocha, now they know rich. Then you only good to they remember. The rest, now corruption. Then the next thing now Boko Haram. So if you wear clothes, we're not tight body, we be like the guest space now. You should have a motto. And you wear clothes to the right, I love Nigeria. You will say by the next bus stop, now you will remember that bus was at this country. People will tap themselves say, this man in the next 10 minutes, he will explode. No, not be we they do for South, now not. When they concern those they abroad, or we both one international community concern. They don't know the difference between who they North and who they South. All they will be say green, white, green. But let's
say like this, my brother, I get plenty beer, so. No, sir, I say to him.
No, but the mean and dread I get no beer. You go explain say,
who shall be dread? Who shall be beer?
Listen, dread will be beer.
No, explain now. Okay. Analyze the one will be beer.
See.
No, one. You just say, instead of you to accept dread, you say your own dread.
Me not dreadlock, I be a Rasta man. So you go especially me that will see me they say Jamaica. They say, properly. I don't live in a Nigeria. No, I don't.
No one can say you know they carry Jamaica passport. Okay. So when they say they know if they call you Bob Marley because when they look your passport, and Nigeria passport,
come out. If you never forget, they say like Jamaica. Or this one is from Bahamas. You know, but until I bring a come out, that they say one side. So people travel recently. They said they did for queue where they check in people for one country.
Yes.
As they reach there. The first 3 people, you bring passport Nigeria, they keep on one side. The second one Nigeria, they keep on one side. The third one Nigeria, they keep on one side. The others when they come, then they just say, no need to waste our time because black not for the line. If you know you are in Nigeria this way, they first sieve all the Nigerians, go one side. They clear the rest people in few minutes. They use almost the whole day to search every Nigerian man bag. Search, so that they carry the person they report that they complain. They carry knife, cut her, she gets show the heel high. They not be saying Nigerian man wear show the heel high. If not be say he's a carry load. They carry knife, cut the heel when that shoe did. They destroy her shoe to prove when they try to finish. Says nothing. They come say we are sorry, but we have to do it. You know, because, and the truth is she said she understand. She was complaining, say the way Nigerians don't destroy our name and identity, now shame. So basically, when some Nigerians don't use this passport do evil, they don't come out, they don't pass that road, they'll come spoil the road for that person. They be like needle. And they say any place we need to pass, go. They don't need to pass on.
Okay, Charles, you see this one will be like say nearly many parts of Africa now they always attack Nigerians. Why?
Okay. I suffer the same thing when I go Ghana. I go one church called Action Chapel. As I reach that church, the first set of people when I meet the security men, they tell me, say, because I go meet, they say, I need to find a place to stay, to sleep for the night. They say, you can't stay here. You can't sleep here. Now, near one of them say, you never read for Bible. He say, when I was homeless, you gave me shelter. Now I say,
for Nigeria.
God don't know the one we do for. We steal from him. I say, how?
Say God don't know the one we
do for. We steal from him. If he not do for you, go use our nose, say him being tried. but they rip them off, they steal from them. That's okay. Now they tell me a story of the guy that came before me. The guy
in Nigeria.
Bible school in Nigeria. The guy did Bible school, they were helping him. All of them, they help him, they give him money, they sustain him. Before you know what they happen, the guy comes, okay, he won't go back home na holiday period. Make them raise money for him. Some raise money, say no rich. He get money back home when he's coming, he go pay all the money. He can't carry one camera come. So he want to take money from them. Now they give him money. Only for him, don't go.
Okay, they borrow money.
They come borrow money.
They come back,
You pay. And when you don't come out, now they say, nah, empty bangolo you give them. Not today, sir. They gist me so I weak. Now one just suggest say, no take his shoe. At least by the time we take some things from him, we don't cover small from what Moses do. Hey, I said, which one be this one? John the Baptist. Now he can't create way for Jesus. Oh. Why Moses can't block way for me now? I never reached this country before. It was my first night. So on my own now, all eyes on me. I did the premises, they live like who not get house. They manage this.
And as they move, everybody
all eyes on me.
Because they expect you will soon come.
I go soon do as
Because they
first
are
come do because these are Nigerians. All eyes on me. I did restaurant they eat. They go say okay, and I go this and I go miss Nigerians.
Okay, now the guy name be that.
You understand? So I can't tell myself say me. I go prove these people wrong, and I go loan them money. Even if they don't pay, I'll dash them go they record. I go give them house. So that tomorrow they'll say, one Nigerian did this. So by God's grace, before I left there, but no matter when I stay, those things I do. Now me can't be everything. If somebody come the premises in Nigeria and they'll say, there's one Nigerian pastor there, they'll bring the person come to me. Because of me, a lot of people can't get small opportunity there.
Our confidence.
They can't get
anybody when I recommend, they go take them because now me recommend them. If they won't find out anybody in Nigeria for that premises, they come meet me. To an extent, even when I get some Ghanaian friends, if they mess with them, the security can't beg me. Because for the place, they only allow anybody to sleep the premises, sleep the church. And me can't do the other the fence, so with the jump fence enter. Not be one day, one guy who they always see with me, the guy go sleep inside church. Nice security men, that night vex for him, send him out. The guy called the one raise, because the guy is an asthmatic patient. Called the one raise voice. Now the police were there on duty that night. You carry him straight. We go look him up. Now I call the resident pastor. I don't say just stay there till tomorrow. Tomorrow morning I'll come because I just sleep here. As the vex. Now one of the policemen goes, don't be this guy, let him go. We know him, not be troublesome person. Night he can't come meet me that night around 2. Not for my door. As he come in, he tell me the story. I say, but let's sleep. Tomorrow we'll talk about it. Only for 4:35, the chief security knock for my door. Now my boy go check. As he check, now I say, what do you want to say? Can I see Pastor Charles? Now I say, okay, he's sleeping. As I hear him, I get up. I say, let me see him. Now I begin to say, last night something been happened. Some of my boys, found one of your friends. Just no, Ghanaian.
Okay.
Just want to apologize. Now the guy, now he jumped up. Me that you people offended, they don't apologize to me. You are listening to this Nigerian. Say no, because we will be seeing you with him. That trust not be overnight. I hear we. I saw her
To clean
with it than
others don't do. Anywhere Nigerian man enter, because he wants to survive, he will do anything to survive. Because he get result to mark for house. One cause that he don't come, he go do anything. And by so doing, you they destroy way for others where they come. Me na victim, I suffer am. Even for church. If I pass here, somebody come follow my back, they observe me.
Because you be Nigerian.
Because I be Nigerian. Not because they watch out for tell you. They do it for their eye, they do them. Do you understand? So when I don't they grow for level, I don't they work for some places. I don't get level. I think go for key. They'll give me key. I'll go open a certain hall, do some teaching and all of that. The time came, they changed the director of operations. Now I say, oh, what's he doing? Oh, what is the problem? Now change the locks. Don't let them have access anymore. Before they come for any key, you follow them, open for them. Once they are leaving, go and check everything. They lock back. Now, don't let me talk this when I see. I suffer humiliation to a point and we say, I make up my mind, it's okay. Now me against the world. Even for the Bible school when I did, my lecturers, my fellow students, now I think they look me. So which I can't first they survive at the academic side. So when the class say, okay, we need to depend on now.
It's going to be criminal.
Make it teach us after class. They will go to court tutorials. I can't get small friends. And funny enough, I don't get anything to survive with. So when I teach them finish, they say, oh, let me take you out for lunch. That's what God has done today, so no. You understand? I can't survive like that. Exam which I will begin to teach them. Lecturers, they watch me one eye. Some not trust me finish.
As long as we Nigeria.
You understand?
So my brother, maybe the night can lead to this one. We say they happen to us or South Africa.
South Africa, my younger brother went to South Africa. Even though him that one to them say I trust him, make I talk true. Because that one I enough felt clear finish before he come from here. But when he tell me his experience, for South Africa, I shock. How South Africans will just wake up and just say today we must kill these Nigerians. Not say now the South Africans wicked by this statement. Now what did Nigerians they do?
Them.
They say, you say, now Nigerians, say so Nigerians, just did now drugs for the past 20 years. Now they introduce small children to cocaine and all these drugs. He said, you want buy gun, the Nigerians they say buy. You define forward and look at forward on the street, the Nigerians. He said the South Africans they not be wicked people like that. Now what the Nigerians always
not be Nigeria can't be only the African countries where they be say the other African countries they there.
In other state of Ghana, we don't Ghana too. Other Africans they Ghana. But if 20 Africans they here, 2 Nigerians they there, in 20 minutes you will know the difference between those 2 Nigerians and the remaining Africans.
Come be say Nigeria will come too smart.
My brother, when they say Nigeria from Africa, those who never come from Nigeria, I don't understand what this mean. Bilima will say, as a Joe, and they was over. Those who don't understand what you mean. Until you come out, okay, I don't feel trouble Libya before. From here to Niger Republic, as soon as you enter there, the first set of Nigerians who you go meet, the country where they come out for their amount, you go to whatever that they be there for themselves.
Okay.
Some good Nigerians who you need for here, if you jam them for route and see the way they don't change, their language don't change, their mentality don't change, everything will matter to them now, how to hammer. Because like in talk, they get registered to call Mark. They want proof point to be the come for us say in 1 year I made it. Home videos and home video for the happen. The man they suffer in the first clip, the second clip, the man will become billionaire. Nigerians they practicalize them. I reach Libya, my brother. You go fear for Nigerians, you go fear for Nigerians. The countries where they put their hand. Even the Libyans themselves, they don't be bad people like that. If Nigerians go those countries, they try to live normal. They earn normal money. They're not going to become very rich, but at least they will do better than they do in Nigeria. True. They will be comfortable, but maybe to the extent of waiting, you see they will just ship, like 7 cars come. Even if people get the country in that country, they don't get the 7 cars. So if you don't travel too now, I go to Tunisia, I see Nigerians the same attitude. I go Syria, Egypt where I go. I see Nigerians the same attitude, not Syria, maybe Egyptians. I go Syria, I see Nigerians the same attitude. I reach Lebanon, I see Nigerians the same attitude. Even for Lebanon, they're few, they're not plenty. Even as few as they are, the only thing when they matter to them, they say, in the next 2 months, they calculate. If you see their permutation, not to say they don't get part of work, or they get part of work, they go no more work. Same Nigeria so. And they do the bouquet, they do all the million work, they do everything. Yes, but they find that opportunity to just get one breakthrough. So that they just do the Euro course. So we just those Arab people they like gold jewelries. Once they just enter the gap, they just move the madam box of jewelry. There they see box of jewelry. As a matter of they don't move. Arab will not know the difference between me and you.
So any other Nigeria what they see?
Any black what they see.
That's it.
No, any black what they see, Wahala don't come. Now the Arab blacks go to them and say, no be we, na Nigeria. They go carry them go Nigeria ghetto. Oja everybody. They begin catch everybody. That time, so when they jump from up, they go, but I said, use stick, break some leg, break head. Some Arab, they go very rich, they go even shoot on Nigerians. Many Nigerians never come home now. But this maybe they never feel so far with something where they don't die, don't bury their sins. They nobody get their contact and information on who to reach out to. Nigerians, they go there with bad intentions. And they give us bad name. They not be all, but the ones who don't get the bad intention, few. So
anything with that few are way bad. No, those who are way bad. Anything with they do, like rob every person.
Yes. Other Nigerians, Cameroonians, Senegalese, Burkina Babes, and all of them, when they meet them for the route, then they are not Nigerians. So you go see even the Ghanaians when I go in all those countries, you see Ghanaians. Ghanaians, they try to live their life. They try to live well. The only thing we do so they say this will be the turn this thing well. They like to turn this thing well. You could be like, oh, this one, they try to live their normal life. All the Burkina Faso, the only person they do something resemble near Nigeria own. Now the Cameroonians too. Those ones still get cutlass high. I'm not the Cameroonians, so the francophone, the English, the anglophones.
Yes.
The English Cameroonians, they follow this station. The francophone, the French-speaking Cameroonians. Those ones just live their life like the different people.
Where they come from? They come up from that one this evening. We just quickly look the life of Nigeria for inside the other country. But when we come, the more come back home, come see House of Assembly issue. House of Rep don't finally come meet with all the parties. So how you look this matter?
First, they say people they quarrel. They talk about to come bring settlements. But to some extent, this settlement, I hope say, not be Ojoro they want do. Because waiting they happen for a do so. Not be today start to. So when they say civil society, I'm not talking for this matter. I tell you one woman they asked me that, I say, when former governor of Shomole start this thing, we shout that time. So people when they complain now, say we shut up. Even Professor Julius Yomere, my SP governor say our complaint is pedestrian and infertile. Let him tell us. He said, no, shut up. He said, that's governance not the same thing as a society. Now you move motion for us of Reps. These same people, when we say, make we not let the system crash. Now they say, make we come on and not concern us, they won't crash out. We tell them, say, this is where they won't start that time. Now, picking where they won't born, he go begin grow. Until you come get mozo. I think we can get mozo now. So that time when this House of Reps did that time, they say who will fight, go for quarrel. When it's still for quarrel level, when coming and social media they use 8 members still in one house, 9 members still they pass budget, they collect money. These are things they scatter House of Assembly, they carry the house, go inside government house, go to the House of Assembly. Where the National Assembly did that time. We won't say this is what they want to do. Not be Ojoro they carry come. Because we they wait for them as they don't come so. Civil society will talk. We know will keep quiet. If House of Reps, no say not will let them do. Make them go enter their house. The same thing happen for Bauchi. Whenever they say House of Reps don't send, as they send some party come and do, they send another party go Bauchi, waiting by their interest.
Okay, I think we'll join one of our barristers. Good evening, my brother.
Good evening, my brother. Good evening.
Good evening. As we just talk now, day for broadcast for independent television. We'll see one know your name.
Okay, my name is Andrew Adase Evanta.
Okay.
I'm a lawyer and also I'm the lecturer for Faculty of Law, University of Calabar, and I teach constitutional law.
You know, say me and you guys that talk for man around time for radio. And you talk to us. Now, House of Rep don't finally come here. Don't come meet with the two parties.
Okay.
So the side of the law, what in this one mean?
Because the other day when the matter come up, our condition was they wanted the House of Reps to take over the activities of the District House of Assembly. And the provision here inside for our Constitution are Section 11. And that provision talks saying that Section 4 of 11 say, when katakata bust, DAC make house. I mean, the intensity of the katakata house not become hold their regular meeting. They not even transact their business. That one will make House of Reps take over the law-making functions of the State House of Assembly. But unfortunately, those two conditions of say they not fit function, make laws, they not fit function, hold meetings, they never take place. So, because they not fit take over, the Speaker in his wisdom now decided that there should be a committee to look into the matter to see if they reconcile the factions, the warring factions, because you know that some of our lawmakers go and put and go make that complaint. But I know that by the time they come now, they go realize that this matter they caught. I'm not sure if they don't say the matter they caught. And under their rules, once the matter is in court, the House of Reps will allow that matter go through. And even our Constitution, as you remember now, which I cited yesterday, Section 4, sub 8 say, the National Assembly, whether House of Reps or Senate, cannot intervene in a matter that is in court. Once court don't assume jurisdiction, National Assembly is supposed to hand up. Now, which our Constitution talk. So by the time they come, they will now discover that they are just on the frolic of their own, because once matter they come, House of Assembly matter they cut now. National Assembly legislature cannot adjudicate, cannot interpret, but the judiciary against that duty. And our Constitution says now only the judiciary can decide this matter.
So this one way they come now. What did this one come in and I say they not get any role to play?
You know, say committee work for Nigeria. Another avenue for person to enjoy, because as they come, they will stay hotel. Some of them, this work they do, they need to unwind, because they're working every day, and they come to this, you know, say, such committee assignment, they still will affect on it, because they can just enter power. So if opportunity creates itself like this to set up committee, you go set up committee. But by the time they come and they don't come, now they will go discover there, what can they come to? Now these people refuse to even come for their own inauguration. Instead of for them to go court, they can't decide to go National Assembly. But you know one thing I'm happy about is the committee members are here, and we'll discover that the constitutional requirement for them to take over has not even happened. Remember, sir, between 2013 and 2014, the House of Assembly had a real crisis. When someone that used about 9 members, they removed the majority. They removed rule for House of Assembly at that time. But National Assembly, what the National Assembly do then? But this time now, we had a new executive House of Assembly has been inaugurated since 17th. And between that 17th and now, 2 other members have come for their own story in. So nobody don't break hand, break leg. Here they come talk, say, House not to sit, they can't remove the roof. Remember, we were in this state when House of Assembly could not sit. But somebody relocated the House of Assembly to government house. The hammer did not fall. So I'm happy that the committee has come. They said they are on the fact-finding mission, but they cannot decide on anything because the matter is before the court. There's a separation of powers. The judiciary should be allowed to decide this matter once and for all. And there's even an injunction. So with that injunction, nothing can be done. It's only when that injunction is vacated that anybody can now make any pronouncement. Otherwise, we'll be desecrating the rule of law. We'll not do within the right if they intervene when matter don't be forced already.
So we salute you the time we take join us on this program this evening.
Thank you so much, my brother. And another point I want to make, the House rules talk say when matter they court, they not able to intervene.
Okay.
And they know say when they do now, they go ask those questions. And by the grace of God, once they get to this fact, we'll be able to ask based on the fact. They are not.
Well, we thank you, Barrister.
Up to the matter they court.
Thank you. Well, just consider Joe Charles, you hear what Barrister tell.
I hear what he talk. Everything Barrister tell us now. It's clear because see this state, some people they think saying that they are own. Meanwhile, now all of us own. When the Jomole first come, he won't fight against godfatherism. But today,
no, but when I just they talk about Congress government, this matter not concern now. Yeah. The matter where they now between House of Assembly, the one where they inaugurate, the one will be saying they not inaugurate. So you don't get where the thing affect the man. The man suffer there, Abuja, they doing national work.
See, we don't want see
No, now anyway, because the purpose.
No, see the point here. See the point we try to make. This has, you know, say, I know you're the better side of the program, and maybe you hear with me, they talk. But you know, and I'm even before you talk now, I never know the barrister. And he concur with my point. Clearly, is that the House of Assembly, the National Assembly, I mean, they there since when our House of Assembly, they need crisis.
So if something bad before, we'll just continue to let them be bad.
See what I talk. I better come first. I repeat again. When they want born that Peking, civil society come and say this Peking won't born. It go become terror. The professor nobody wey dey the National Assembly now, and in people wey dey insist on National Assembly taking over House of Assembly, na say no we shut up. We no agree say it's supposed to continue, but if we say we no raise the alarm that time, it will be different ball game. We know say this thing will become precedent. Una wan start am, other government, other people dey come say na so dey dey do am. Sir, the point I talk we say the things according to the law when in just quote so section 4, in this section 11 and section 4, when the National Assembly take over the House of Assembly, it never happened. It happened only in the time of Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshiomhole when the governor, when they fight carry battle ass, somebody carry compassion come, they use the that table, tell the break people head. It happened continuously. They changed Speaker of the House of Assembly 8 times. 8 during the lifespan of Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshiomhole. All these people, when they call the court room assembly, they call to call the House of Assembly. They not do that time. Nobody assembly could leave as it's supposed to be. Now, that one they call Odumadu Bodi. People they call a Kama. That thing was not later happen. By now, everybody, if you don't want to do again. The moment this happening, they come from inaugurate 9. If it not happen, this is the one of them say, I don't really watch. Now the bishop of federalism want to come up. Because together now we say we must kill God federalism for this Edo state. That's the one we see what it is. It better one is here because we don't raise the alarm when the consciousness don't day about God federalism. All the people now say, okay, they want to start them again. How would they know? Because we see say imposition of commissioners and all those things did that time because they say that they are still not concerned us. Now we go to share central hospital, make the opposite central hospital. Now we go to share airport road, they don't do aware. So they tell us how much they do. Now we share about the Edo University, Iyamo. Say how they give us, tell us what happened there. Who get the university now? We mention a whole lot of things. They say that they do not concern us. They come impose. What the further system so that we don't know what happen. Now, Odumadu Bodi don't come again. So sincerely, me, I don't know who won't become that, who will be the new Godfather, or who don't become or who won't become. But that same trace of Godfatherism, now the waiting that they start that time, now continuously they play. We don't support them.
So I will to stop something like this.
Now a double must wake up. First, I declare, say, National Assembly coming to Edo, now Vasabi they can't do. I'm a why.
But if 2 person they quarrel, the 3rd person, the National Assembly, they say be like their own senior brother. Oga, we will come look into it.
The House of Assembly are 24 APC.
Okay.
So now party issue.
That is it. Now they go for that is the committee.
Now they go for that. That's the party issue.
Party issue.
Now the national chairman of the party or the national working committee of the APC now is supposed to come, not the National Assembly. May they call their party member Central House. On a betting line for our side. Nobody they happen. Now we. That time before PDP day, you see how the former governor to use that house to serve before PDP because they don't support a consolidated, illegal consolidated land use charge. Those will not come back again. The nations will not come back again. Even though the law not support them, the nations will not come back again. What of the case of Adenoma? When they represent Ovia Southwest constituency, because he raised alarm over some things what they want to do. When they sack them, when they make cross from APC to go PDP. When they want to protest again, you know they beat him and supporters. So now APC issue this matter be, not be House of Assembly issue. Me, I go talk am again. So those ones will go reason. If you must come to equity, you must come with clean hands. Professor, nobody will go move that motion. Shame on her. Now he gets me to shut up. We will go to say this thing on the work. When they don't go to the election. No. Now here we don't see where going the election for Paromi. Camera catch him. We say, I'm not the apple. Him and in brother later we call the PDP now. We don't allow. We see they feed. They observe election. They beat us, break our motor with their boys. Then they announce the result for Edo. Commissioner of Police dey with us for Oromi. We see the Oromi election wey finish, we dey announce result. Those people now come they say this illegal. They call it wetin they call legal yesterday. They call am illegal today. Make dem dey shame. Make people dey shame. We no be mumu. We be children yesterday. We don be children again now. We don go up 8 years from my age. I no still be small pikin even at that time. Make dem know say we no be mumu. Then if anybody will talk say this thing wey pass assembly na illegal, not be those people wey move the motion and wey support am. Any of them not claim rich, they don't get the legality, they don't get the moral standing to talk say wetin happen for House of Assembly say e wrong. Even though we now if other persons come talk am we go say okay, we don't say wrong go, but make them let people with their hand clean, with their mouth straight talk am, not be him.
Brother Ojo Charles, see how we don discuss this.
Now the matter be that it dey very clear. We not say legality, no, illegality don't beget legality. It's not possible. You understand now?
Illegality born legality.
It's not born legality. We never talk say wetin they do so, it's right or it makes sense. But the House of Rep will come. My hope that they will just come, reconcile them, then they continue their thing. Because now them. The so-called delegate will come so, now APC members them be.
So I think they miss some. Now people will be say they not come as a group of. They just come as House of Rep and House of Rep member. House of Rep member and different party. Now they make it talk say the working committee of the party. They supposed to say no go inside house.
What they want do through House of Rep so they don't want make it be like say na party chieftain na he run am.
But I think my PD don't tell me say time not there for us again. I don't want to say time will permit us today. My brother Mobide, I greet you. Will be say Ojo Charles, I salute you well. And you will be say take time day with us for us. I salute all of us. I know say by Monday my brother Mark Bololo in go day with us. My PD there, Lucky, I greet you well. And the man will be say they help me the roll and the Obel. I greet you well. Will be say not day there. On Monday, I say another day, my name remains F.A. Osafoma.